Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to do a more intense look compared to my last one. I'm going to focus more on the eyes today. I'm going to do like a blue smoked out eye. So I'm just going to jump straight into it. The main focus of today's look is going to be on this peaches and cream eyeshadow, and it's in the shade Pool Party. And I don't know if you can see even just by looking at the back, it's really pretty. So I'm just going to start off this look with my eyebrows. So I'm going to do them firstly. As I said in the last video, if you want an eyebrow tutorial, let me know. Just everybody does do their eyebrows differently. We've all got different face shapes and things. But if you want to see what products and things I use, then do let me know. So I've now got my eyebrows on, and I've just used the concealer I used to carve out my eye. I've placed that all over my lid just to give us a nice even base. The first thing I'm going to go on with is this Jaclyn Hill palette. The first one I'm going to start with is this yellow colour, and I'm just going to use that as my sort of transition shade. Just put that through the crease quite lightly. And then what I'm going to go on with is the blue shade down the bottom here, with a brush. And then when I'm taking this shade, I'm going to pack it on my lid. And this will be quite scary for a lot of people, but I'm going to... Okay, so now that I've got it all over my lid, I'm now going to start the blending process. So what I'm doing firstly is I'm not going up high, I'm just blending it through my crease, like so. And then when I'm doing this, I'm also just starting to shape my eyeshadow, so completely depends how you want to do it, but today I'm thinking I'm wanting it a bit more out. So when I'm blending, I'm just taking it out, and it looks disgusting right now and scary, but we'll get there, don't worry. Back in with the first brush and the first shade, which was that yellow, and I'm going to take quite a wee bit of it this time, and then just buff on top of that. This may make it look a little bit greeny, but it's okay. Then I've just sharpened it up at the edge with a wipe. Then I'm going to go back in with a brush with a blue on it and just buff again, because it will still have some product on it. And then I'm just going to now do the same steps that I've just done on this eye, just so that we can catch up. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to get my NYX glitter glue. It's a glitter primer actually. And then I'm going to go in with this Morphe flat brush. And then what I do is I'm just going to get some of that on my brush. Start putting that glue on, and so you can see where I've put that glitter glue. And I'm just going to apply the glitter, and then just applying that with a flat brush, just getting a tiny bit of glitter. And I'm just going to apply that directly to the area. And then I'm just going to do the same on the other eye, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so now I've got that glitter on, I'm just going to go with my small fluffy brush, just like so. In the palette, I'm going to go with this black shade down the bottom, and then I'm going to pat this on this area, down close to the lash line. I'm not going to take it too high. So I'm now just buffing it up. Just going to start on my base. So I'm going to use this primer. I've never really used it before. It's by the brand Figs and Rouge, and it is a soft focus pore perfect HD and matte veil. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply this all over. Okay, today I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I've got two completely opposite shades, so I'm just going to mix them together because this is too dark and this is far too light. So just using like a flat buffing kind of brush, and then as I said in the last video, I kind of mix them together. I don't ever swipe it and buff it, I just dab it all around. So the concealer I'm going to use doesn't want to focus, but it's the Maybelline Instant Age Eraser, that's what it's called, Anti-Age Eraser. And so I just use the little applicator to apply it. And then the brush I'm going to use to buff it in is this. It's actually called a deluxe crease brush. So I'm now just going to go in with my Nip and Fab highlighting stick in Galaxy. And then I'm going to go in with the lighter shade, which is Aura, or Aura. Still don't know how to pronounce that, better check that. So I'm just going to go in with the Stay Matte Powder by Rimmel, and this is just in the shade 001, which is transparent. And I'm just going to go in with a big fluffy brush in the back of my foundation brush, and then I like to pinch it and just set underneath my eyes. The highlight I'm going to go in with today is the Laura Geller highlight, and this is in Gilded Honey. In with my Revolution, and it's the Shade and Contour palette. Most of the colours are completely finished, but I'm going to go in with this contour shade here. So after I've applied that shade, I'm then going to go in with the bottom shade because it's a little bit cooler. And then I'm just going to put that directly in the hollows of my cheeks. I'm going to put some shadow underneath my lash line. So I'm just going to go in with a fluffy brush. Just the same one that I used the yellow with, and I'm just going to squish it together. Definitely going to go in with the blue. Then I'm going to go in with the brush I had the blue on and get a little, just a dab of blue because it's quite pigmented. Now I'm just going close to the lash line and smoking that colour out. Now that I've got the blue on, I'm then going to go in with a little tiny brush and with a black again. And I'm just putting this on the very, very outer corner of my lower lash. I'm going to go in with the same blush palette as I used in my last video, which is the Glorious Blush palette from BH Cosmetics. The shade I'm going to go in with is just this shimmery one here. So that's what it looks like there. The lip liner I'm going to go in with today is another MAC liner, but this one's Boldly Bare. Don't know if you can see that. No, it doesn't want to focus on that, so that's okay. And then I'm going to go back in with Velvet Teddy just because it's my favourite. I'm then just going to go in the centre of my lips with Party Commencing. This is like a light pink. And then I'm going to go in with this gloss from number 7, and it's in the shade Sparkling Rose. Putting that in the very centre. And then I've decided that the highlight, I want it to be a little bit more intense. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in with a Molten Gold highlighter from Maybelline. Just take a little bit of that. Then I'm just going to go back in with the highlight shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is my favourite shade for inner corner highlight. It's just so amazing. This is the finished look. I hope you've enjoyed this blue smoked out eye tutorial. Hey guys, sorry, I just finished filming the video and I've not even put mascara on. This black double stacked mascara from NYX. And then I'm going in with step 2, which is the little fibres. And then back in with step 1, 3. So now this is the finished look. Sorry about that again. I've changed t-shirt, changed hairdo.